Alright, so I'm not exactly a modern day mechanic, but this is a 2000 Astro van. And I've already started this work on it. And the point is that this latch down here, right here, wasn't working correctly. I had to use the hammer to get it out of here, to get it out. But when I pulled on this latch right here, it was disengaging this, the top latch. So it was disconnecting from here, but it wasn't doing the bottom. So this rod right here wasn't pulling up enough. So this here, and the reason for this video that I'm doing now is to let you see what's going on in here. I'm gonna do this with one hand. I don't know how you guys do this with one hand. Take video. Anyway. This goes in here like that. So that one there goes to the upper one. And this one goes to the lower. Well, I want you to see what's going on here exactly. As I looked online, I couldn't see anybody because when I put it in there, this door was not opening. They show you this door, and that's easy. Anybody could take these screws out and pull this plate off. I mean, and take this all out. That's the easy side. But nobody says anything about this side. So I had to take this off, but all that trim right here had to come off, and then this came off. So I had to take these out to get the panel off, and those screws, I'll figure it out. But anyway, here's all the screws and the covers and everything. Yeah, where's it at? Yeah, right here. So these three hold the window latch. These right here go on to here once it goes in, but I had to disconnect it. I'm jumping all over the place, but what happened was once I put a bend in this bar, right? I bent it on purpose so that it would pull this up when you pulled the latch. Then it worked, right? But then I said, well, let me pull a little bit more, and it ended up popping this out. So this is a clip. If you look at this, there's threads in there. So what I had to do is pull this whole thing out, the latch. We get some pliers, which I have right here, and compress this right here to pull these tabs out. Put them back on the rod where they got to go. Put this back in the door. And then once these are on the rods, I can take this and pop it into the hole. I'm hoping. Anyway, and then where are we at? A whole mess of screws here. Mess of screws was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all through here. And there's these go on the bottom. These go on the bottom 3. These go up the side. These hold this on. This right here, basically the foam was glued right in this corner right here. I was looking at it first to see what I had to do, and I couldn't get in there. The way they manufacture that, you can't see shit. So I had to take it all apart, and realized when I was messing with the handle opening and closing, the upper rod was working, but the lower one wasn't. So this is where I'm at. Anyway, I shouldn't have to say anymore. You guys pretty much figured it out, right? From what I said. This right here, I pulled too much on the rod and it popped it off. Actually, this one is for the lower one. Okay, well, hopefully that helps somebody.